Hello, my name is Kiara Daniel and I'm the product manager for RTV accessories here at Kubota. Today we're going to do a drive-through of our RTV-X. Come ride with me. All right, safety first. We're going to go through our track here today. So our RTV-X is the legacy of our X series. So it replaces the X900 and the X1120. So all those two machines created better in one vehicle. We have a lot of great features on this. Beside our Kubota diesel engine, we have that Kubota transmission, that VHT transmission, which helps going through hills like this. Very simple to do. Along with this model, you have the ability to add different accessories and implements. If you're in our northern states, you can add a snow blower to get things done. And you can also have fun with this utility vehicle. One of the other great features is our Pro Convert bed. But to find out more information, visit us at KubotaUSA.com. Thank you so much.